you know what this is? These are Orbeez balls! I need to find out what they're doing here and why there are so many of them! I can hear Sue singing in the bathroom. I can't hear water running, so she isn't taking a shower. Shall we go and see what Sue's doing in there with the Orbeez balls? Susie! What do you need all these Orbeez balls for?
Sammy, haven't you heard about the Orbeez challenge? I'm surprised. I can't stop thinking about it ever since I heard about it. I really want to try it. So all these Orbeez balls finally came in, and I can go ahead and do it.
Sue, do what?
What do you mean, what? First, we'll make a lot of Orbeez balls in the bathtub.
Wow! Are we going to take an Orbeez bath?
Possibly.
Awesome!
Then we'll pour those puffed up balls into a large plastic bag, and we'll get an Orbeez mattress.
Wow, that's a challenge I like. It's all about relaxing.
Wonderful. It's more fun to do things together, especially challenges. Okay, while our Orbeez balls are puffing in the bathtub, we'll make a giant plastic bag for them.
Sue, here's the baking paper you asked for. But, what's it for? We're going to make a mattress, not bake cookies.
Sammy, don't you remember? Some plastic, baking paper, and an iron?
Guys, do you remember this combination in any of our videos? Write your guesses in the comments.
Yes. You should think about it too, Sammy, and I'll start. So we're going to need a large piece of clear plastic, like this. You can make the mattress to fit your size.
It'll be a whole Orbeez field for me.
Right. Okay, now I need to secure the edges. To do that, I'll take a piece of baking paper and fold it in half.
Hey, Susie, let me help you. There, I'll press it well. Now it's done.
Thanks, Sammy. Now let's wrap the edge of the folded plastic into the baking paper like this. And then, be very careful with this step. Ask an adult to help you. We need to go over the baking paper with the iron, like this, close to the edge.
Sue, what is it gonna give us?
This, Sammy. The edge of our bag will be sealed.
Oh, I remember! We made the Nutella wallet like this.
Yeah, Sam. And now let's seal the edges on all sides. Make sure you leave an opening on one side, something like this. Time to pour our Orbeez balls inside.
Oh, yeah!
Let's see if it's ready. Great! The Orbeez balls have puffed up!
Make way! This is amazing!
Yes! I need to give it a try.
Try what?
To submerge my hands deeper.
You're gonna like it!
Whoa! And swoosh! Ooh! Wow, guys, these look like fruit ice cubes. And these look like gummies. But you can't eat them, of course. Awesome! Like if you agree.
Okay, it's time to continue!
Huh? Continue what, Sammy?
Making your Orbeez mattress, of course!
Oh, yes, right. We'll use this to pour our balls into the bag.
Listen, Susie, I still don't get it. What is this mattress for?
Oh? I thought it was obvious.
Are you gonna sleep on it?
No.
Am I gonna sleep on it?
Perhaps, but no.
Then what for?
Because it's fun, Sammy.
Oh, yes. Fun is the best reason.
I'm glad you approve. I think that's enough. I only need to seal the opening. There we go, carefully. And done! I need to set the iron aside after switching it off. Now let's distribute the Orbeez evenly.
Oh, yeah!
There, I'll smooth it out onto the floor.
We need to keep our pets out of the room, otherwise someone can puncture the mattress and the Orbeez will spill!
Oh? Oh, I thought they could enjoy it, but better safe than sorry. Oh, this is awesome!
Make way, Sue!
How much space do you need?
Lots of space.
Oh, wow. This feels great. I can just lie and do nothing.
But you are doing something. We're doing the Orbeez mattress challenge.
All right, it's even better. Relaxing, fun, and something useful.
We did good.
We sure did. Squish, squish.
Hey, Sue, look. That's like relaxing.
La 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 la.
Susie,
Yeah, Sammy?
let's do another challenge.
I don't mind. Guys, give a thumbs up if you want to see even more challenges on our channel.
Suggest ideas and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to watch us fulfill them.
Bye-bye!